Welcome to our channel. If you want to restart your Fire TV stick step by step, follow these instructions to improve performance. Step 1. Press the home button on your Fire TV remote to navigate to the home screen if you are currently in an app. Step 2. Scroll to the right on the top menu and select Settings, which is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll to the right and select My Fire TV or Device and Software depending on your Fire TV model. Step 4. Scroll down the list of options and select Restart to begin the restart process. Step 5. A confirmation dialog will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to restart your Fire TV stick. Step 6. Select Restart again from the confirmation dialog to confirm your decision and initiate the restart. Step 7. Your Fire TV stick will shut down completely and then automatically power back on, which takes approximately 1 minute. Step 8. Wait for the Fire TV home screen to reload and your device should now be running more smoothly. If you continue to experience issues, consider clearing cache or checking for software updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.